Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to cancel an order on Amazon. Okay, so I have here a manual step-by-step tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Amazon application when canceling an order in the app mobile application. Okay, so next you just have to click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen to open the menu, and then click on your orders. So you'll be able to see the cancel order, so you just have to tap on it. Okay, now just tap the checkbox next to each item you want to cancel. Okay, that's right. So right after that, you'll be able to cancel your order. Now, for the canceling an order at Amazon.com, you'll have to go to www.amazon.com in a web browser. Okay. And then the next one is to click the orders. You can see this at the top right corner of your screen, and then click on open orders. Okay. Now you'll just have to click on the cancel order next to the order. And then check the box next to each item you want to cancel. Okay, so just have to click on these things here. And that's it. That's how you can cancel an order on Amazon. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye-bye.